Hello, friends. Let's learn 20 yummy fruits that make us strong and healthy. A for apple, red and sweet, good to eat. B for banana, gives you power hour by hour. C for cherry, tiny and red, vitamins ahead. D for dates, sweet and brown, full of energy town. E for elderberry, keeps you safe from cold and flu. It's true. F for fig, good for tummy, tastes so yummy. G for grapes, purple or green, healthy and clean. H for honeydew, juicy and cool, perfect for school. I for Indian gooseberry or amla, vitamin C, strong like me. J for jackfruit, big and sweet, what a treat. K for kiwi, green inside, yummy bite. L for lemon, sour taste, health in haste. M for mango, king of fruits, tasty roots. N for nectarine, juicy and lean, fresh and clean. O for orange, round and bright, gives you light. P for pineapple, spiky skin, sweet within. Q for quince, golden fruit, gives health boost. R for raspberry, tiny balls, fun for all. S for strawberry, pink and red, yummy spread. T for tangerine, orange cousin, vitamin queen.